In this video, we are going to explore structured query language databases and how to connect them with Node.js applications. We'll cover the essentials for integrating your Node.js projects with powerful relational databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL. Structured query language databases store data in tables with predefined relationships between them. These databases are characterized by important features. They follow ACID properties, which ensures reliability. They also enforce schema, providing a structured framework for data. And they support complex queries, enabling powerful data retrieval and manipulation. Let's compare two popular SQL databases, MySQL and PostgreSQL. MySQL is known for being fast and simple, making it a great choice for web applications. It has wide adoption and is relatively easy to learn. On the other hand, PostgreSQL offers more advanced features, supports JSON and NoSQL functionalities, is suitable for complex queries, and is fully ACID compliant, making it ideal for applications that require strict data integrity. To get started with MySQL, you'll need to install the MySQL driver for Node.js. Two popular packages are available. You can install the MySQL 2 package or the MySQL package using Node Package Manager, or NPM. Run npm install MySQL 2 or npm install MySQL in your project to add the necessary drivers. Now let's connect to your MySQL database. First, require the MySQL 2 package. Then, create a connection using the createConnection method, providing the host, user, password, and database name as properties in the configuration object. This sets up the basic connection to your MySQL database. To set up PostgreSQL, you'll need to install the PostgreSQL driver for Node.js. A popular package for this is PG. Additionally, you may want to install the @type/pg package for TypeScript support. Use npm to install these packages by running npm install pg and npm install @type/pg in your project. To connect to your PostgreSQL database, start by requiring the client class from the pg package. Then create a new client instance, providing the host, user, password, and database name as properties in the configuration object. This sets up the basic connection to your PostgreSQL database. Let's discuss some best practices for working with SQL databases in Node.js. For security, make sure to use environment variables to store sensitive information, implement SQL injection protection to prevent malicious attacks, and validate user input to avoid unexpected issues. For performance, use connection pooling to efficiently manage database connections, handle errors properly to maintain application stability, and always close connections after use to free up resources. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.